Well, it looks like the river's still blown out. Yeah, this is you used to be able to drive down into this, and this is all flooded. I don't know if you can see that. Look at that. Jesus. That was the road. So, I don't know about fishing rivers lately, because, man, even the Montana River that I just fished was way higher than I've ever seen it in past years at the same time. Yeah, it's pretty rough out there. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if I can catch fish in that or not. I'd have to be on the bottom right away because that water's moving fast. Well, I don't know. I don't know if I have enough weight. And look here, this isn't usually river out here. This isn't water. The river's about 100 yards that way. Wow. Look at that. All that runoff. Yeah, it's pretty cool. You farmers better not complain about having water this spring or this summer, because you should have plenty. Alright. Well, here we are at this little pond. We're going to do a little bit of fishing. We came up here to fish this river that's up here, but the runoff was too bad, and it's still really crazy. So we're going to just play around this pond for a little bit and then head on home. Let's go do a little bit of fishing. Well, I think I'm too deep. I have no evidence that I'm too deep. No moss, no hang-ups. But I think I am. I've got about, probably pretty close to 6 feet of tippet on here. So I'm going to drop her down to about 4 feet and see what happens. Oh yeah, there it went right away. As soon as I lowered the indicator. I put it to 4 feet and already got a little strike. Wasn't ready for it, but here we go again. Wasn't much, so there we go. Little bit of moving it around. See if I can entice them. Oh, shit. I was sleeping. Oh, Jesus, Ed. I was just staring. I don't know what I was thinking. There we go. Swimming right towards me though. Geez, that's a nice fish. See if I can get my line reeled up here. Geez, yeah, look at that baby. That's a pretty good sized trout. Ah, there he came off. Alright, look at this baby. That's a nice trout. Look at that trout. Yeah. Come on. Oh, don't do that.
Well, I fought with this trout longer than I should have. They're not as healthy as I hoped, so I'll just net them from now on.
There we go. Well, that was pretty cool. Nice trout too. That was the trick, was to raise my fly up out of the water, my nymph out of the bottom. I've been getting strikes every time. I haven't been catching them because I've been sleeping, but there's another one. Come on, one more. Oh! There we go. I'm not going to try to tire this one out so much. There's the other one too. Come on. There we go. Yeah, we're not even going to pull him out of the basket. There we go. What do you think? Can you see him? I hope you can. That's a pretty fish. Okay, baby. There you go. Oh, jeez. Boy, not fast today at all. There we go. Oh, shoot. There we go. Got him that time, by golly. That's a decent one. I like him. Come here, buddy. There we go. Okay, buddy. Come on. That was pretty quick. Come over here. Nice fish. Okay, since that one was so quick, one more. Oh, I'm gonna work my way back to my truck. There we go. Oh, lost him. Oh, God dang. Got him kind of awkwardly. I was messing with my slack because it was caught up in the bushes because of the wind, and then this guy hit. I gotta get him over here where I can scoop him up. This should work. Where are you? Oh, come on. There we go. Okay. Wow, look at that one right there. That's a nice one. Nice trout. Well, that was a lot of fun fishing this cute little pond in this beautiful scenery. So hey, if you like this video, please hit that like button, share and subscribe to our videos, hit that bell notification so you can be with us on the next one. I'm a little out of breath. And until next time, remember, life's a gift. Get outdoors. See you now. Bye.